Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on some fine-tuning of our sentences. We have done lots of different writing this year, but today we're just going to narrow down on telling the difference between a sentence and a fragment. Okay? Sentence is a complete thought and it tells at least the who and the what. Here's some examples. I walked home. We read a great book. So I can look here and find the who's in both of those. I walked home. Here's my who. We read a great book. Oh, there's my who. Now I'm looking for the what. I walked home. Well, I did the walking, so that's what I did. We read a great book. That's what we did. Here would be an example of a complete thought. Here they are. They're reading the book. Okay, so I'm going to put that over here. That would be my sentence. Now, a fragment is a group of words that tells part, but not all. Here's some examples. Walked home. Well, that tells the what, but not the who. With Fred. Well, that tells the who, but not what Fred's doing, right? So here's might be what a fragment would maybe look like in our head. If I was looking at walked home, here's something I'd see. I can picture someone walking, but I don't know who it is. So it's just the feet walking. So that's what we're doing there. Okay, now I have made a paper for you to work on in Google Classroom. And this just has you got to decide between the top part, if it's a sentence or a fragment. You're going to circle sentence or fragment. And then you're going to write the revised version. So here I've got a few examples on my board here to show you. So the first two we'll do together. And I just wrote them on the board. So let's look at this one. Number 1, after school mom. Okay, is that a sentence or a fragment? Well, that's a fragment, isn't it? So I'm going to circle that one. Now, if I want to revise it, I know who, right? But I don't know what. So I know the who is mom. So I'm going to rewrite it like this, and I'm going to start with my capitals because I'm writing a full sentence. So after school, mom went to the store. I'm going to put a period at the end of my thought. I'm going to reread this again. After school, I'm going to put a comma right there because I took a little breath. After school, mom went to the store. Well, this has the who. And it has the what. She went somewhere. Okay? Let's look at this one. So I took this fragment and I turned it into a sentence. So if it's a fragment, I want you to restate it into a sentence. Make up however you want to do it. After school, mom did what? You got to fill that in. Okay? Here's number 2. The park had a new fort. Well, let's see. I have the who, the park, and it had a new fort, so that is a sentence. Now, what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to revise it with make sure I have my capitals and my punctuation. So, the park had a new fort. And I'm going to put a period at the end of my thought. Now it's a complete thought with the proper revisions. So again, this is the paper from Google Classroom. You can type it here where it has the revised version, or you can just take a piece of paper, write 1 through 6, and write sentence. You can put S for sentence and F for fragment, and then rewrite the sentence for us, and then snap a picture and email it to your teacher. Have a great day.